Ranger peeps! Yeah, I make stuff. Well, hello there, I am Ranger Peeps, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make planes in Minecraft Bedrock Edition with command blocks. So, here we have our plane spawn egg, and tap it on the ground. And you might be thinking, did you know that's just a minecart, right? Think no more, because you can join in, and boom, you get your controller. And here, hold this controller, you can go up on an adventure. You can pretend to be a little Einstein. You can go up into the sky. You can go left. You can go right. You can explore the new 1.18 terrain or see the weird bugs that it produces. You can see that tree over there. But it's not the fastest, but you can increase the speed. And no, I've bug tested it, so you cannot go deep under the ground, because it will not let you. But you can exit, and yeah. There's a bit of a bug, the plane sometimes might disappear. But anyway, that is a demonstration of the plane. Now, let's get into building it. Right, let's get into the tutorial. So, the things that you're going to need to make this are a redstone torch, any block of your choice. I think iron looks pretty. A redstone comparator, and a redstone repeater. So, once you have that, you're going to start over on the side. Place down a repeat unconditional always active command block. And this detects when you place down the plain spawn egg, and it summons an armor stand. Then, place a chain conditional always active command block on top of that, and this basically kills the silverfish. Next to the bottom command block, place another repeat unconditional always active, and this is basically the command right here that summons the minecart. So, after that, place another chain conditional always active on top of it, except put a different command. Now this command right here, basically what it does is it makes the minecart, it gives it a tag called drive. So this basically what it does is defines this minecart to be different than just your normal average minecart. So when you're holding that, you're not making random minecarts around the world fly around with you. That would be kind of cool. So you should have these command blocks right here done. So let's go over to the right side and type this command. And this kills the armor stand. That way you don't have an armor stand when you spawn the plane. Come around on the opposite side and have a repeat unconditional always active command block with this command inside of it. And this enchants everyone in the minecart with projectile protection. And this will be important later. But first, let's get to these two command blocks that are sneakily hiding behind. Repeat unconditional always active. That basically it detects for anything in a 3 block radius of it. I'm going to comparator out of that, and gives that player in that radius an iron helmet. That is going to be the controller. Now this is where that projectile protection command comes in, because this is what detects when the player is holding it, and it runs it into this command. This is impulse unconditional needs redstone, and this, what it does is, this is the ground control, so you don't just fly through underground and suffocate. This right here is the function that makes it so you don't go straight through the ground when facing downwards. Alrighty, we're on the home straight here. We just have this zigzagging complicated line of commands right here. So in this one, this is another command that you can't see with projectile protection. Run a comparator facing this way, out of that, into another repeat unconditional redstone. And this is the flying mechanic. This allows the minecart to actually go. So this is one of the most important command blocks there is. Alright, we're comparator facing this direction, out of that, into this command block, repeat conditional needs redstone. Make sure it needs redstone. And then do execute at a test for block. And this basically is, hey, are you flying? Place a block coming out of that with a redstone torch. And repeat unconditional needs redstone. That is just another thing that helps the system. Once you've done that, you are complete. You are done your fully functioning plane in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Whoop, I don't know what that is. Anyway, with your fully functioning plane in Minecraft Bedrock Edition with commands. Goodbye.